Hello Fly Babies, hello my patrons, it's me your Flylady Kat, and today we're doing our Patreon in review. There were 5 videos that I put on last week. The first one was entitled Time Management. I think that's a really great one, and if you have a problem with managing your time, that would be something you really want to look at. The second one is Integrity. It's on having integrity. What do you do when no one's looking? The third is The Big Move. We were talking about how to get ready to move. The fourth was how to stay focused without, well anyway, it's called How to Stay Focused. The fifth one is perfectionism and how to overcome it. That was a request from Tara. So those are our 5 videos for last week. Please come on over and watch them. If you're not already a Patreon, please go ahead and join. The subscription is $5 a month, and I would love to have you on there. You'll get 5 videos just like these every single week. If you're not subscribed also to YouTube, please take this opportunity to do that as well. Have a wonderful day, and always remember to be beautiful because you are beautiful.